thought today would be fun to just play with some new makeup I got in the mail and do a quick get ready with me. I've been waiting all morning to film this, hoping that the power washer outside would stop, but it hasn't, so we're just gonna work around it and hopefully it's not too distracting. I'll try and put some ambient music in here so that you don't notice it. I get a lot of requests to share like my everyday makeup routine. You guys like my like no makeup face. Pretty much the same thing. I just change up products and colors as I test things out. And today I have a lot of things I want to test out. Starting off, I'm going to prep these lips because they're always kind of dry. The Tatcha, what is this called? The Kissu lip mask. I love this stuff. It's a jelly-like pillow. The rest of my face is already prepped and primed. Let me zoom you in. This is something I've been really excited to test out. You guys know I love the bareMinerals Complexion Rescue. It's one of my favorite go-to everyday products. And this is the new bareMinerals Complexion Rescue Hydrating Foundation Stick with broad spectrum SPF 25. I have the shade Suede 04. I'm gonna link everything I use, even if I forget to talk about it, in the description box. Be a little bit closer to my spring shade, but we're just gonna go with it. I love sticks because they're so easy to travel with. I would say this shade is a little bit warmer in person than what I'm seeing on the viewfinder, but we'll see when I edit this. Immediately that evened out my skin tone. I feel like it minimized my pores, got rid of any of the redness, and I like that I don't feel like I need to set it. And it feels like it almost just, I don't feel like I need any powder or anything. That's really cool. So I'm just gonna go over certain areas that I need a little more coverage. Like I have this vein that's to be covered. This also goes on with like a cooling feeling, which is really interesting. I really like this cooling sensation when I apply the product. Really easy to blend. Really enjoyed that. Sticking with the clean base, I'm going to use this Clove and Hallow Conceal and Correct. This is a makeup brand from a makeup artist who creates clean, toxic-free products. These shades, I have 2 and 3. I'm gonna try 2 first. That's very light, guys. I'm actually gonna wipe some of this off because I think it's just too light. And I'm gonna go in with 3. I've been really enjoying the new Urban Decay Double Down Brow, and this is in the shade Warm Brown Brunette Betty. So I like that there's 2 different shades and you can kind of create your perfect brow tone. Unlike other brow powders, this is very much a putty-esque product. It's very long lasting, it goes on really smooth, and it blends really well into my brows. These Lorac Unzipped palettes, and this one is in Brazen. I was really drawn to this and I thought it was really pretty to use for a Valentine's Day look because of this peachy shade and also this gorgeous gold. So like a everyday minimal makeup for Valentine's Day, essentially. Before going in with that palette, I'm just gonna use this banana shade from my Ofra Pro palette to create a nice even base. I'm gonna go in with Ambitious on my crease. Untamed all over my lid. Going in with Free on my crease to deepen it up and bring out that pop of pink. I'm going to use Unexplored on the outer corner of my V to deepen up the whole look. Using Unbuttoned on the inner corner. My Ilia and She Was eyeshadow crayon. With Free for my lower lash line. One of my recent rediscoveries is this Laura Mercier Tight Line Cake Eyeliner in Black Ebony. I used to use this all the time with an angled eyeliner brush, but what you'll do is you'll wet it I just use some eye drops. 1 drop is plenty, and you just mix it in there and you get the beautiful, beautiful, perfect, easy black eyeliner. I'm popping open this Monsieur Big from Lancome. This is a limited edition Valentine's Day packaging. Use a little bit of this NARS Illuminator Super Radiance Booster on my cheeks to bring that luminosity. I just like healthy, glowy skin that looks hydrated and plumped. Bronzer is from my Ofra Pro palette, and I'm just gonna pull some of that. I'm using my Jouer limited edition blush palette for Valentine's Day, and I think I'm gonna use this really beautiful shade up here. That is in the shade Marigold. I'm gonna go in with Adore Me to blend it out a bit, because when you flush, you don't just flush one cheek color. You wanna mix a couple different shades. I have these gorgeous highlights from Lorac. This one is in Glow for Gold. We've got Gilded Lily, which I'm gonna wear Celestial on my cheeks. For my lips, we're gonna do something nice and glossy. This is the Lorac Pro Unzipped Sheer Lip Gloss in Expose. My really quick wearing makeup, but still very natural and effortless Valentine's Day date look, last minute date look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I upload new videos now every Saturday, Sunday, and Monday at 12 p.m. PST, so that's 12 noon Pacific Standard Time. Every Saturday, Sunday, and Mondays, you'll see me 3 times a week here on this channel. Sundays are usually my weekly no buy, low buy updates and vlogs, and then Saturday and Mondays are beauty and lifestyle wellness videos. So thank you so much for watching till the end. If you have any questions about how any of these products work, leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer as many as possible. Check me out on Instagram. I'm doing fun little hidden stories giveaways over there as well. And I hope you guys enjoy this look. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful, beautiful rest of your day.